I've only got a bit of jerky with me, so I'm going to try an old Native American trick to try and make that jerky go a little bit further. So this is the stuff I'm going to try and use. I'm using Wild West beef jerky. So all you do, you get a piece of jerky, put it in a plate, you add a few drops of water to it, there we go, and then we'll leave it to do its thing. Well, the jerky's been stood about half an hour, so let's go and have a look, see what it looks like now. Now I'm really impressed with that. It's only been stood half an hour and it's at least double in size. I think that's done enough now. See how it's cooked, shall we? That's not too bad at all. Perhaps a little bit more done than I normally have it. But not bad from a single piece of jerky, is it? Not too shabby.